that story from the strongest pillar of our school. The annual report is not just a summary of the year gone by, but a reflection of dedication, discipline, and determination of our entire school family. To present this prestigious annual school report, we are extremely honored to invite the guiding light, the visionary leader, and the backbone of our institution, our respected principal, sir.
May I request our respected principal, sir, to kindly come on stage and present the annual school report of our academic year. A big round of applause, please.
Sir.
Honorable Chief Guest, distinguished President of the occasion, other trust members, relative of media, illustrated teachers, students, parents, and well-wishers of our school. It is the pleasure is mine on presenting the 14th annual report of the school for this academic year 2025-26. School strength and staff particulars. The school is affiliated with the CBSE, Central Board of Secondary Education, and has a strength of 488 students from nursery to class 10th and 30 teachers. The teacher-student ratio 1:16 enables us to maintain the strength in each class to a comfortable number so that we can pay exclusive attention to every student. Every effort is taken to tap the potential of our students to extremeness both in academic as well as in all other activities. Mahavir English School offers a unique spectrum of curricular, co-curricular and extracurricular activities to the students. Academic achievements. As in all the immemorial years of All India Secondary School Examination and 4 years in Maharashtra State Government Class 10th Board Examinations, we have secured 100% success, mostly with distinction. Out of the 25 students appeared for the AISSE 2025, 13 students got a distinction and all the others first class. Among them, our student Pranav Sunil Kaswa won Beed District second rank and received an award from Beed Sahodaya School Complex. This has been facilitated on account of the tremendous effort put forth by the pupils, teachers and management. In this academic year, we have already trained 37 students to face the AISSE. The training offered by our teachers and the enthusiasm and effort shown by our students have enabled us to win a number of prizes in the inter-school levels. For example, 2 of our students, Rajnandini Jadhav of class 9th and Stuti Gandhi of class 8th, were won the district level World Wild Wisdom Quiz 2025 conducted by UNESCO and represented Beed district at Maharashtra state level competition conducted at Mumbai. Apart from traditional academic examinations, we have conducted some of the competitive examinations. Also, Olympiad examinations are one among those. We have arranged Olympiad examinations in English, Mathematics, Social Studies, Science, Hindi, General Knowledge, conducted by Silverstone Olympiad, Delhi, to make our students capable to face the competitive world ahead. 51 students of our school from class 3 to 8 are going to appear the Beed Sahodaya Talent Search Examination, which is going to be conducted in the month of February. Co-curricular activities. Co-curricular activities are an integral part of school life, providing students with opportunities to develop their skills, talents and personalities beyond classroom. We have different clubs as per the directions of CBSE to have the co-curricular activities. Those are Eco Clubs, Heritage Club, Literature Club, Mathematics Club and Fine Arts Club. Under these clubs, we have conducted Vanamahotsav Festival, which include river water harvesting, tree plantation drive, cleaning the nearby forest, etc. Reading Week celebration, which included writer interaction, book review and book donation campaigning. Different types of writing and reading competitions, etc. 60 students from our school visited the Indian Parliament and Rashtrapati Bhavan as part of our club activities. 3 of our students, namely Akshara Rajkumar Gandhi of class 10th, Nishita Kumarpal Nahar of class 9th, and Shaurya Amit Andure of class 8th were selected for the one-day scientist program conducted by CSIR labs all over India and gained hands-on experience at CSIR Lab Pune. Extracurricular activities. Having set excellent standards on the academic front, we have to perform as well as in the extracurricular activities to develop team spirit, leadership qualities among our students. A number of cultural, literary games and sports activities are being organized regularly. These opportunities provide our students with a venue to hone their skills in various fields. To add a thirst to all-around growth, we continue to offer house activities in our school. Our students are divided into 4 houses, namely Mighty Warriors, Falcon Fighters, Rumbling Jaggers, and Fairy Knights. Intra and inter-house competitions are conducted regularly for all-over development of our students. Based on the performance of the students in the above set competitions, they get opportunities to participate in inter-school, district, Sahodaya school complex, and CBSE cluster level competitions. In the district level basketball competition, our under 17 girls team and under 14 girls team and under 14 boys team bagged the second prize. Disha Gandhi of class 10th, Strudhi Garsule of class 10th, and Ishwari Andure of class 8th were selected for the divisional level basketball competition. In the roller skating competition of Aurangabad division, our class 7th student Aditya Borade and class 8th student Jay Manot were participated. Arshan Said of class 7th was selected and participated in the Maharashtra state level rifle shooting competition. Our school head girl Shravani Torve and school sports captain Arshia Beg were selected and participated in the divisional level rifle shooting competition. Master Shivansh Anil Andale from class 1st participated in the second Delhi Open roller skating competition 2025 held at New Delhi, representing Vardhaman Mahavir English School, and stood first under 5-year age group. Our class 6 students, Pranita Gaikwad and Sanskriti Bobade, were selected and participated in the division level pistol shooting competition. In addition to these, we have the facilities to train our students in art and music in a regular basis. Understanding the unique place of libraries in the present education setup, we have equipped our library with a wide variety of reference books and also other reading books and periodicals, and we have upgraded the same recently. In par with the CBSE guidelines and modern trends of the schools has facilitated a well-equipped science lab, giving due weightage to the 3 branches of science, physics, chemistry, and biology. To promote computer literacy, the school has a fully fledged computer lab with 40 computers, and we have upgraded the same with new versions of systems recently. As per the instructions of Central Board of Secondary Education, we have established a math lab also in our school. We have converted our multi-purpose hall digitally smart in this academic year. Professional development programs. As per the instructions of NEP 2020 and NCRT, our teachers have completed the 50-hour teachers training from COE, CBSE from different venues. We ourselves have conducted the in-service training for our teachers on the topics of strengthening assessment and evaluation practices, competency-based assessments, and life skills basics and advanced in our school in collaboration with CBSE COE Pune and Bid District Sahodaya School Complex. 5 teachers of our school participated in the TOT Training for Trainers program, which was conducted at Bid by CBSE, and among them, our social studies teacher, Mr. Neeraj Tripathi, was recognized as a resource person for CBSE teachers training programs. Our school principal, Mr. Abhilash Kudiyat, has upgraded as a master trainer for school health and wellness program and school quality assessment and assurance framework by CBSE. Awards and recognition. Our science teacher, Ms. Swati Saruk's STEM research paper has been selected from Pune region for the National Teachers Conference held at Patna. Our arts teacher, Mr. Pandurang Gade had received the Best Teacher Award by Beat Sahodaya School Complex and Ideal Teacher Award from Student Development Society Aurangabad. Our principal was recognized as the Best Principal Maharashtra by the Times of India. Many milestones have been achieved and many still have to be reached. We at Mahavir English School Kada continue our understanding and unceasing efforts to mold the young minds into well-balanced personalities with the confidence and zeal of befitting the standards of the new education policy 2020 and National Curriculum Framework 2020-23. This report is a sincere attempt to showcase our progress in terms of achievements and activities during the year 2025-26. On this memorable occasion, we recount our success with pride and happiness. We wish to all dedicate all our achievements to the committed efforts of the dedicated team called the BMCT family. In the end, I would like to conclude the line with this line: don't tell us sky is the limit when there are footprints on the moon. I wish you a very meaningful and eventful new year. I submit this report for approval. Thank you.